Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are at one of the finest places in India, in Delhi. Now, this is the biggest minaret in the world. This is Qutb Minar. Qutb Minar, ladies and gentlemen, it has been built in thousands and thousands of years back. Thousands and thousands. No, it is built. This complete this place may be more than thousands of years, because you know that this Qutb Aibak finally built it in around 800 years back. Prior to that, ladies and gentlemen, it might have been this temple. Let's just go around and see what exactly is happening here, ladies and gentlemen. Just see, take a round and just find out exactly, ladies and gentlemen. This is the biggest minaret, and then you just see that how beautiful exactly this is. That's great. That is beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Just have a closer look, ladies and gentlemen. This big minaret, this, ladies and gentlemen, this is Qutb Minar, yes, monument around. So, ladies and gentlemen, just have a look. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I was trying to tell you, that this Qutb Minar that we are seeing, that it is one of the finest architectures and magnificent engineering marvel, which stands tall. Just have a closer look, ladies and gentlemen. This is very beautiful. This is exotic, and this is magnificent. Let me just, ladies and gentlemen, take you around also some of the other places to have a feel of the place. Just walk with me and see around Qutb Minar, so that when you come next time, come prepared and have the complete information and have your hearts filled, ladies and gentlemen. Just see, as I told you, that this is the magnificent tallest minaret in the world. Minaret means it's made of bricks and brick and tiles. Some 800 years ago, around 1100s AD, and by Qutb Aibak during Alauddin Khilji's time. And let's go inside now, ladies and gentlemen. Walk with me, please. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I was trying to tell you, there are certain these places, just see that this is an Indian Hindu statue. There are many statues. There is some, this you can just see that this white patch. So it might have been covered at some point of time by putting, something like, these are all statues, Indian statues. You just see that, have a closer look, ladies and gentlemen, Hindu statues. So that's why I told you that this has been standing for. Namaskar, good morning. आपको मैंने देखा था लास्ट टाइम। हाँ ज़रा मेरा भी खींच, मैं ऐसे ही खींच लूँगा। थैंक यू थैंक यू, धन्यवाद। थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू। Thank you, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I was trying to tell you that this is one of the most finest places in India. A monument which has been built thousands of years back and then converted into this mausoleum. You know, this Qutb Minar. Have a look if you just want to see exactly. This is Ghanta. This is the bell. This is the bell. It is a part and parcel of this is the destruction that has happened at some point of time. This is, you can just see, have a closer look, ladies and gentlemen. This is the bell. This is bang in front of this Qutb Minar. And then of course, ladies and gentlemen, this, we are trying to see what exactly is happening. Now you just see that, ladies and gentlemen. Let me take you to the miracle of India. Miracle of India means that, ladies and gentlemen, this tall, iron pillar, nobody knows what is its metallurgy. This iron pillar, ladies and gentlemen, it is standing here for many hundreds of years, and this iron pillar is non-rusting. It does not rust. So nobody knows that. Somebody says that it is from Ashoka's time, but nobody knows where from it has come. No doubt about it, it might have come from Odisha or all that. Some places it has been it is a very heavy iron pillar, some maybe around thousands of kgs. But ladies and gentlemen, just see that it is non-rusting. That is the secret behind this iron pillar, which nobody has been able to decipher, and nobody has been able to answer that. How is that this iron pillar is not rusting? This iron pillar, ladies and gentlemen, is not rusting. That is the big question before us. That is the big question. God bless you. Thank you. God bless you.